This is before and after drinking water from Munich.
Right. So, at the right picture again, you see the energetic field before and what happened after you drank water.
But how
from
come?
Something. Munich water, everybody tells you, is very pure. Yes, on a chemical way, it is very pure. On an energetic way, it's a disaster. So it destroys nearly your energetic fields. This is very important because I want to show you something different in the next color. So you see what happened. On a chemical way, everything is perfect. On an energetic way, a disaster.
And that's before and after drinking Zamzam water.
Yes. You see, right picture before and left picture after Zamzam water.
It's the exact opposite.
Exact. You see what happens, Munich water, Zamzam water. I have to tell you the story of this picture. My colleagues, Hosam Osman and me, we've been in Jeddah 3 years ago, and he went to Mecca and brought several liters of Zamzam water with us. So it came into my clinic, and we stored it there for about 2 weeks or a bit longer. Then we started to do these pictures. So we've pictured about 60 persons, and they all acted like that. And we've been very astonished that after 14 or more days, after transportation from Mecca to Munich, climate difference and so on, this water did something great to your energetic fields. See, it's an answer. Your cell systems do answer. They say, yeah, I like this. Oh, no, please don't. This is the first thing. And the second thing, we invented a therapy to all this knowledge. You must see, it's 12 years old. I'm dealing with this and working about this for 12 years, nearly every day. The therapy we invented is called energetic field therapy, of course. There's one picture as well. It's an electromagnetic field with very low intensity. It just should give you an information.
We believe that Zamzam water has healing powers. I mean, our religion tells us that Zamzam lima shuriba lah. So whatever we drink it for, it will happen.
So see, what do we see? We see an answer. In these pictures, we always see an answer of something that happens to you. That means if your cell systems, and the energy comes from your cell systems, answer like this on the left picture, it's like a kiss to them. They smile and say, yes, that's great. Munich water, they say, oh, please, don't.
Enough.
Yeah. I present my energetic field, and you present your energetic field. They mix each other now. This is the way how you think that somebody is somebody you like from the first glance or not, because there's information in it. I give all my information from my inside, and you do it as well. So we inform ourselves on an energetic way.
What about, what is it did you feel when you studied the Zamzam water? Did it come as a huge surprise for you? I mean,
completely.
I mean, it's for us, it's belief, it's part of our belief, but for you,
me,
how was it?
It was just a chance to get to study this water. I know, of course, the importance of Zamzam water, but I think I'm the first to try to study what does it do. It betters your energetic field, and that means it makes you healthier. I think if you can drink it every day.
In this show, we had a segment on Zamzam water before, where a Japanese professor.
I know, the one who talks love into the water and so on.
Exactly.
I forgot his name.
I was surprised when I saw the how seriously it affects the love and hate, whatever you say, affects the water as well. But the effect of Zamzam water, it's 1,000 times heavier than normal water, and nothing is negative about it. Right. Nothing.
See the Munich water. It's a disaster to your cell system. Even so, it's chemical pure. There's no bacterials in it, nothing. But on an energetic level, it's a disaster.
How do you think a revelation like this can be used to better everybody's lives? Zamzam, how can it change us?
So if you have the chance to drink it every day, it betters your healthy. health. I think not every Arabic people in the whole world can drink Zamzam water every day. So maybe for this is a possibility, a therapy, similar to the one we invented, the energetic field therapy. It's a kind of Zamzam water on an energetic way. It's not something to drink, it's something to lay on, but it betters your energetic fields. I think we start with a complete new medicine. I think in the future we will deal with our energy and not only with our chemical way of life. It's 96 years old that we know that everything is energy.
You must be intrigued to study more about Zamzam water. What is it, if it's in a perfect scenario, you want to do with Zamzam water?
We just opened it a little bit, the secret of your holy water. We just could show something, but of course it would be great to study more of this, to get the chance to study it where it came from.
From the source.
From the source. We took it to Munich, transportation, and it still had a lot of energy. So how much energy
do you think
will
it would
have?
Be more from the source?
I think so. I think
really?
so. Of course. It loses. It loses. And it still had so much. So how much energy will it have if we could picture the energetic fields in Jeddah, Mecca or something, somewhere. But for this we need a new device. The device we have in Munich is not to be carried, it's not portable, so we have to develop new machines, portable devices that we can take them, for instance, to Jeddah or to Mecca and so on.
One of the most fascinating things you told me today was how you assessed the energy before meditation or prayer and after meditation or prayer. I do know that why the prayers are spread for us throughout the day, 5 times a day with intervals that are no less than X amount of hours. It means something because it keeps the energy level, as you said, high. It's quite amazing for me to hear from you that it is there. The reason why after you pray you get certain energy around you, a hail of some sort that helps you go on and continue and gives you some inner peace. What is it about praying that you want to study more?
If we would have the chance to picture the energetic fields before and after praying, before and after going to Mecca, Hajj is called, I think, you will learn so much more about what happens in your holy place. You will learn much more what happens in your body.
Inside us.
Inside us. See, divine energy surrounds us 24 hours a day. We have to open us to it, then it comes into us. We can measure, we can picture this before and after meditation, but we have to learn much more. We need better devices, more sophisticated, more studies, more sophisticated things. We can learn a lot.
Well, I wish you all the luck in the world.
Thanks.
I mean, really, and I hope that many organizations support whatever you're doing. I mean, this is worth investing in because we need to know more and learn more. Now, as you rightly said when we were discussing this, if you're praying anywhere and distracted by sounds of TV, kids playing, many things that everyday life, exposes you to, it's different from being in Mecca or in
100%.
Medina and being totally, enveloped by the inner peace and the sound of prayer. It's just magnificent feeling that I cannot explain and I cannot put in words, but I'm sure if you study it, things will come up.
Maybe you can see it, yeah.
I hope
maybe,
so.
I'm very sure you can see it. It must be. Because as you said, if you are so focused in praying, are you so focused in opening your heart to a divine energy, something happens which is much greater than if you just pray in between. The Arabic people, they pray deeply. The Christians, normally not. We can even measure what happens after their praying,
the strength of
and
prayer.
after you're praying. Yeah.
Stronger energy.
Yeah.
Subhanallah.